Welcome to the latest edition of InventoryLab product updates. Today's release includes a couple of items that will really help you streamline your listing process. Our first one will help you avoid any seller central expiration date errors. Now, when you are looking at the product details of an item, you will see if Amazon has told us that the item requires an expiration date. We show you the EXP icon, as well as highlight the expiration date entry area. Clicking on the expiration date icon will give you more information about the alert. The Seller Central Request Approval link, to get approval for restricted products, has been moved to the main product alert screen. This allows quicker access to that area in Seller Central. We will still display Amazon is not accepting applications if approval is not currently available for that product.